Hello students, today we are going to discuss about algorithm which is included in your syllabus for all the terms. In algorithm, how to write algorithm, what is algorithm and what is the use of algorithm, all these we are going to learn today by some examples.
Now let us see what is algorithm. An algorithm is a procedure for solving a problem. Algorithm involves writing sequential steps to solve a problem. A computer program is an elaborate algorithm. Before writing any algorithm, the problem or activity should be analyzed. This part I have taken from your book. An algorithm is a procedure for solving a problem. That means we have problem which we have to solve. You know, to solve any problem there will be some steps involved. So if we write all the steps required for solving a problem with step numbers in sequential manner or in serial manner, then it will be called an algorithm. Algorithms play a key role in developing computer programs. Once the problem is analyzed and algorithm is finalized, the algorithm steps are then coded into programming language. Algorithms can effectively be used to perform mathematical calculations to get desired result. Algorithm writing is a sequential task that involves precise flow of steps. Algorithms are written for solving any type of problems. We need to learn algorithm for writing programs also. When we have a problem to solve with computer, we write a program. For writing the program, first we will prepare algorithm for solving that problem. After that, all those steps in the algorithm we will write in the programming language. If we are learning Java language, then we will write all these steps of algorithm in Java language. Then it will be a Java program. It is not necessary that algorithms are only for writing programs. It can be used for solving any type of problems. Suppose we are to solve a mathematical calculation. We have to write algorithm for that also. After writing the algorithm for solving the mathematical problem, if we write all those steps in mathematical statements, then the result will be obtained. Now let us see an example of algorithm. This one I have taken from your book. The problem is here: make a sandwich. The solution goes like this. Step 1, start. Step 2, place 2 slices of bread on a plate. Step 3, apply cheese spread on one side of the first slice. Step 4, apply mint or tomato sauce on one side of the second slice. Step 5, place cabbage leaves, cucumber and tomato pieces over the cheese slice. Step 6, sprinkle seasoning. Step 7, put the second slice over it. Step 8, stop. So here we have written the algorithm for making a sandwich. It is very simple. If you read this algorithm and if you follow these steps, you can even make one sandwich for you. Another example. This also is taken from your book. The problem is here: find the average of 3 numbers A, B and C. So this is a problem like your programs you write in computer. Now the solution for this problem. Step 1, start. Step 2, input A. Step 3, input B. Step 4, input C. Step 5. Find the sum of three numbers as sum equal to A plus B plus C. Step 6. Find the average of three numbers as AVG equal to sum divided by 3. Step 7. Print AVG. Step 8. Stop. So if you see this is just like a program that you do in your Java. First step is start, then step 2, 3 and 4. Here we are taking three numbers input. Then in step 5 we are finding the sum of three numbers in one variable sum equal to A plus B plus C. Then in step 6 we are finding the average of three numbers in another variable AVG equal to sum divided by 3. In step 7 we display the value of AVG, that means the average is printed on the screen, and in step 8 we stop. Now let's try some algorithms. Write an algorithm to prepare a cup of tea. This is our problem now. Now we'll write the steps to solve this problem. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Take a saucepan. Step 3. Pour a cup of water in it. Step 4. Place the pan on gas stove. Step 5. Boil the water. Step 6. Add sugar, tea leaf and milk in it. Step 7. Boil for a minute. Step 8. Pour in a cup using a strainer. Step 9. Stop. So here we prepared a cup of tea, and for preparing a cup of tea I have written some steps. So this is the algorithm for preparing a cup of tea. Algorithm to send a letter to your friend. Now this is our problem and we are going to find the solution for it. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Take a writing pad and pen. Step 3. Write the letter. Step 4. Fold the letter and place inside an envelope. Step 5. Write address. Step 6. Paste a postage stamp. Step 7. Drop it in a nearby post office letter box. Step 8. Stop. So here we have written an algorithm to write a letter to someone. Algorithm to display natural numbers from 1 to 10. This is the problem now and the algorithm goes here. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Assign 1 to A. Step 3. Display A. Step 4. Increase A by 1. Step 5. Check whether A less than equal to 10 or not. If yes, then go to step number 3. Step 6. Stop. So here first we assign value 1 to variable A. After that we print the value of A. Next step we increase A by 1. And in the next step again we check whether A is less or equal to 10. If so, then we go to step number 3. So if A is less or equal to 10, from step 3 these steps will be repeated. So it will stop only when A exceeds 10. Display sum of natural numbers from 1 to 10. So this is the problem and the solution goes here. Step 1, start. Step 2, assign 1 to A. Step 3, assign 0 to S. Step 4, add A to S. Step 5, increase A by 1. Step 6, check whether A less or equal to 10 or not. If yes, then go to step 4. Step 7, display S. Step 8, stop. So here we found sum of all the natural numbers from 1 to 10. We assigned value 1 to A, then we assigned value 0 to S. Here S is accumulator. Then next step, we accumulated the value of A to S. Then we increased the value of A by 1. Then finally we have checked if A is less or equal to 10. If it is like that, then we go to step 4 and repeat these steps. When A exceeds 10, then we go to next step. In the next step, we display the sum which is stored in variable S, and in next step we end the algorithm.
So today we learn already some algorithm. I have shown you how to write algorithm with some examples. In next class we will be doing flowcharts, how to draw flowchart with some algorithms.